Hello viewers, welcome to another problem solving with Pandas videos. Here we are solving problem with Pandas library of Python for data analysis purpose. So I have taken another problem from Analysis Builder website. This problem name is on the way out. Okay, before solving the problem, let's read the problem statement and then move to the solving the problem. The problem says that Herschel's manufacturing plant has hit some hard times with the economy and unfortunately they need to let some people go. Okay. They figure the younger employees need their job more as they are growing families. So they decided to let go their three oldest employees. They said they have more experience and will be able to land on their feet easier and they had not to pay more. That's from organizational perspective. They had to pay more to the older employees, so they will like let the three oldest employee go. Okay, so what we have to do here is we have to write a query to identify the IDs of the three oldest employee. Okay, we have to find out the IDs of the three oldest employee from like given data set, order output from oldest to youngest. Okay, we have to order the output, who is the oldest, that's the first one. So let's check the information provided. We have given a table that is employees, and in the employees table there's two columns, employee ID and birth date. So we have to sort the data based on this birth date, and then we have to like decreasingly ordered, descending order. The like not the descending is, it is asking for the oldest employee, so we have to like sorting through the ascending order so that the who is the oldest come on the first. Okay, we will check. Let's preview the data set. The ID, employee one, the birth date. Okay, we have given some date of birth. So if we just check the expected output, this is providing only the employee ID, so he is the oldest for employee ID. And this three at the top, they are going to leave the company. That's very sad. Let's solve the problem. Okay, so as always we have to import pandas as pd, and if we just run the head of the information, you can see the basic information. So I'm just running it whether it's working perfectly or not. Okay, let's delete it and try to solve. So it seems kind of easy, and it is also an easy problem. So the thing is that, so we first have to take this table, and then we will take this column birth date. I think this is not the way, because we have to sort this. So I think this will work in this way: employee dot sort values. This is the method. Okay, so we have to sort the table, and now we will provide based on which column we will sort. We will sort it on the based of birth date. Let's solve it, and now let's run it. Let's see. Yeah, we have got the output, but it seems kind of different from our expected output. The birth date, as we have sorted it, the birth date of the oldest one should come in the first, isn't it? But the 2000 is in first, 1990, this should become before this one. So this is not working. So one thing is problematic here is that this birth date, this column, I think we have to sort it. Well, we have to like first convert it to the date value so that it can take, or it can sort that based on our need. So before like sorting, what we have to do, we have to convert this column to date type or date value. It's showing it is date, but it's not working, so let's convert it. So for converting a column to a particular date value, what we have to do is we have to write this in this way: employee, and we have to take this birth date column. Okay, I have made a mistake. Okay, now what we have to do here, we have to convert it to the date value. So the thing that we have to take a functionality of pandas, that is pd to date time. Okay, and date time is a method. This will take a break parenthesis, and inside parenthesis we have to provide which column we want to convert to date time. So I am taking this, I'm copying this, and I'm just pasting it here again. So let's now run it. Okay, it's showing that name employee is not defined, so we have probably made a mistake. This should be employees and this should be employees. Now let's run it. Okay, now we have got the information perfectly, I believe. So the thing that this method, the to date time, converts this birth date column of employees table to date time, and it stores the value in the variable again, like to the birth date column of employees, and in the next line it is sorting that value based on the birth date. So we are getting the expected output as desired. But in output, what we have to do, we have to that is already sorted. That is also another thing. The oldest one is on the first 1985 birth date, and the second one is 1988, like the 4, 11 and 7 our first desired column. But we need only one column. So what we have to do is we have to just select only one column here, that is employees column, and we will be selecting only employee ID. Let's see whether it shows only employees ID or not. It's showing employees ID, but it's not showing in tabular format, so we have to provide another bracket here, then it will show us in tabular format. Okay, and to select the first 3 row, we will apply head method. The head method will provide by default the first 5 value, but we are interested about first 3 values. It was written from and somewhere. Write the query. Okay, there are 3 oldest employees. So just in the parenthesis we will provide 3. Then it will show us only 3 first records. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm getting some problem here. Oh, another thing is that this sorted value, it is just like showing us the value from the whole data set, but it's not showing us the value from the sorted one, sorted data set or sorted table. We have made a mistake here. So let's solve this. It's showing us the whole data set. We have to take like a variable to store the sorted value, like oldest. Let's take oldest employees. Now from this oldest employees we have to sort based on the ID. Now we can see 4, 11 and 7 is showing, and now we have to take the head method to select the first 3. Okay, 4, 11, 7, I think it's okay. Now it's the desired output what it was, 4, 11, 7. Now let's submit it and let's see. Okay, that's perfect. We have solved it. So here the takeaways is the way we have to convert one column from one type to another type, like to date time. We have learned it, and also we have to take the result sheet in a different variable, and we have to fetch the first 3 records from that table. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully see you on any next video. Thank you so much. Up to that. Bye.